United Arab Emirates President Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan has conferred the Order of the Union Medal on Chief of Army Staff Qamar Bajwa in recognition of his significant contributions to the promotion of bilateral ties, the Inter-Services Public Relations Wing said on Wednesday. According to UAE-based Khalij Times, the medal is the second highest honor awarded to the UAE to senior officials of friendly countries. According to the statement issued by the ISPR, the army chief, who is on a visit to the UAE, called on the Emirati president and discussed with him matters of mutual interest, bilateral defense and security cooperation, and the regional security situation in the Middle East. The two leaders agreed that Pakistan and the UAE share a great history of cordial relations and a deep-rooted spirit of brotherhood, which is transforming into an enduring partnership. According to ISPR, other recipients of Order of Union include former Lebanese President Emile Leboud, Bahrain Prime Minister Prince Salman bin Hamad Al Khalifa, Britain's Prince Philip, Dutch King Prince William Alexander, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates, and Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov. As for General Bajwa, he has previously been awarded the Medal of Excellence by Saudi Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, the Bahrain Order First Class awarded by Prime Minister of Bahrain Prince Salman bin Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa, Jordan's Order of Military Merit by King Abdullah II, Medal for the Commonwealth in Rescue and Letter of Commendation of Russian Monitoring Federation by a Russian envoy during his visit to Pakistan in December 2018, and Turkish Legion of Merit during a visit to Turkey in 2017, the ISPR said.